Alright, got a lumber delivery. There's going to be a lot of lumber coming here. I've already been here once. This is one of the deliveries that just kind of baffles me on why we're bringing the lumber. The foundation for the home isn't even poured yet. I don't normally deliver all this stuff, especially the roofing, before the cement's even poured. So it's just, I don't understand why you would order this, have it out here to be stolen. It's out in the middle of nowhere. And I can already tell somebody has broken open the bands on this radiant barrier. That was all banded. All the bands are on the ground now, so somebody probably stole some sheets off of there. That goes for about, I think about $21, $22. So, concrete's not poured. I haven't been here in I don't know how many days. I guess it's probably been maybe 3 or 4. But in that time, somebody's come by and looks like they snagged themselves some free lumber. And then they don't have any cameras here or any gates. Nothing locking the or securing this. So just gotta keep bringing it. The guy wants it. So all we can do is drop it, take pictures, prove that we delivered it. If it's missing, it's not on us. I mean, literally take it 5 minutes, come here and steal a few $100s of lumber. So, but that's not our problem. Our problem, or our deal is just to get the deliveries done. Well, see, I did deliver this this lumber. I'm about to put this bunk behind. This is pressure treated. That's what goes down on the concrete first. So that makes sense. Now, it would only normally make sense if the concrete was already poured, but at least have that delivered first. So if you guys get deliveries like this, you kind of learn what they use and how they use it during their building phases. Because the guys are going to want, obviously, that pressure treated closest, because they're going to use that first. And just by as many houses that I've delivered to from straight ground up builds, and the guys actually being there, I actually know where they kind of want things. So normally this OSB would be back farther away. But this will probably be one of these situations where I'll show up one of these days with some of their other stuff, and then they're going to try to get me to move all this stuff closer or move it around, and, you know, we don't have time for that. You know, we're supposed to just be touching only what we deliver. So you're not there, you're not going to the job site to be their worker. And, you know, if they're not there when you do the first delivery, that's, you know, that's on them. They got to deal with it. You got a bunch of other customers waiting for their deliveries in the day. You don't have time to be in a job site helping out when they should have been here in the first place. So I just try to get it at least to where I think it should be. And I don't have to have the argument later. But the other interesting thing about this delivery is it's on a road the Class A truck's not going to be able to come up. I have a hard time coming up the road. I was sliding a little bit. It's really soft sand, single lane road, and they got some really long beams. But there's nowhere for the Class A to turn around up here. And he'd have to back down over a mile onto a highway, which is just not a good situation. But I don't think the Class 8 could handle this road anyways. It's just too soft. It's just not meant for these types of roads. This is what I like about these deliveries. It takes up a lot of room on the truck, but it doesn't take too long because it's just a couple picks off the truck.